Glynn here, back again. We did the phone connection last time, phone pairing, so this time we're going to look at the navigation. If you'd like to come in here a little bit, we've got your three icons on the main screen here, on your home screen. We've done the phone pairing. Let's skip to the navigation. So here we are, it's telling us exactly where we are here. We want to search for something else. So we're going to go, let's go to Picton. Quite like to go to Picton today. I hope I spell this right. There's something wrong if I can't. Let's search. We want to go to Picton, New Zealand.
The route is being calculated.
There we go. That's pretty quick.
Please proceed to the highlight of the route.
And look at that. With these new screens, it's all Gorilla Glass. There we go. Got it out. You can pinch and zoom just like on your cell phone. Beauty. We're good to go. Start driving, riding, and it'll take you off.